Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 then times 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have two divisions and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 5, then times 5. Okay, now 1 divided by 5. We can write 1 over 5, then times 5. Now, this 5 and this 5 can cancel each other out, so we have just 1. So, our final answer to this problem is just 1.